Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. I thought I'd just do a quick run through of what I've got in this Halfords industrial toolbox. Ignore the mess in here, it's in the middle of being sorted. Messy, messy, messy. So I haven't really got anything of any goodness in the top. On top here I've got a snap-on impact driver. That'll become clear why that's up there in a minute. We've got files, hacksaw, cheap old tap and die that I just can't get rid of for some reason. Couple of wire brushes, there's more somewhere. Much better tap and die, and it's not bad. It does the job. Some old drill bits, a couple of old air tools, etc. Now the electrical slash whatever this is drawer. Valve grinding paste. There's a valve grinder somewhere. Old school snap-on seal puller. Works well. You know, it's not too bad. Screwdrivers. There's a stay. It's not going to stay, is it? There's a mix from some old style snap-ons. I don't know why the light is reflecting so badly. Some old style snap-ons, new style. What's this, an old Draper of some description possibly? Just a mix match really. Some Halfords. Don't really rate them, to be fair. Cheap picks. I would prefer the snap-on ones, although that old Stanley one's pretty, that's a go-to stubby. Even though I've got the Halfords one, it's not particularly small. Old spanners. What's this, an old snap-on ratcheting. I don't know what size that is. What size is that? 5/8 and 11/16 for whatever reason. Yeah, and proper old style. It's mostly Imperial in here. We got Halfords ratchet spanner set, Imperial. Homemade puller. With lots and lots and lots of really dodgy weld. Wet sticks at the time. We got 3/4 inch at the back. Don't use them often, but they are useful. We got the 1/2 inch drawer inlay set. It's not, I suppose it would have been Halfords Professional before Halfords Professional was named Halfords Professional. It's just stamped. I don't think that's going to come up. Let's have a look. Just stamped with Halfords, so no, I don't think this camera's going to focus on that. Again, that goes from like 10 to 32, I think. Missing some. Got some deeps. Again, it's alright. They've got wobble bar extensions though, so it can't be that old. Pliers. Well, we've got snap-on pliers, snap-on side cutters. Starting to go rusty. I have no idea who make these. They look like old snap-on ones, but again, I'll have to clean them up. They have got a part number on them. I found these on Amazon. H&S UK Tools. If anybody from the UK, I wonder if it will focus there. There you go. Kind of. A set of 3, and then the angle, and then the straights. Good tools. I've got the long handled, you know, the long reach snap-on ones. Started to twist. Yeah, again. And a mix of other stuff. Now, ratchets and extension bars. I've started to do cutouts in the foam, but to be fair, I haven't had a lot of time. Complete set of these, standard end, you know, snap-on extension bars, great. Lost those two out of the 1/4 inch set, and these are the Wobble Plus extensions. Again, great extensions, but missing two now. 3/8 snap-on breaker bar. My old trusty with the hole in the end for extending. Never broken that in. It's just been absolutely awesome. An impact reducer. Snap-on F80. Love it. Best ratchet by far. Again, I got the cheapy Halfords Professional with the. Oh, that's Halfords Advanced. That one with the wibbly wobbly end. Not amazing. A couple of Draper Wobble 3/8, a couple of other impact stuff, you know, that goes on the impact gun. Sockets. These are a mix of snap-on and Halfords, mostly impact. I've broken quite a few of the impact Posi-Drive snap-on ones. Again, some double ups, some impact hex, e-sockets, snap-on, 1/4 drive medium deeps, semi-deeps, snap-on. We got the snap-on ball-ended hex. Nice set. Got the stubbies. I think I've got a feeling you bought the ball end and you got the stubbies free or something along those lines. 3/8 impact sockets with a couple of other, they're snap-ons, but there's a couple of other mixed on there. This is what happens to snap-on tools when they don't get used very often. Golly. Adapters, you know, 1/2 inch to 3/8 and 3/8 to 1/4. Cheap shallows and deeps in 1/4 inch. I think these are Premier. Not great. Draper Expert 3/8 longs and shallows. They're not bad. We've got some impact ones back here. I used to have all of the 1/2 inch on this, but I'm thinking of getting rid of these and just using rails just for more space. And I can get everything into one drawer. And there's some replacement bits for the impact. There's a couple of old snap-on 1/4 inch odd bits and bobs. That is actually exceptionally good still. I use that on motorbikes a lot. Spanners. Blue Point. Awesome. These are snap-on angled, probably from the 60s, 70s maybe. Cheap set of stubbies. We'll be replacing them at some point, but I've got a snap-on 13 because I lost the 13 and that's all he had. There's a ratcheting one. Ratcheting Blue Points. You'll see them in one of my previous videos. Again, mix match some crow's feet, S spanners back there, a couple of half crescent ones here, brake tool, you know, pipe spanners. Halfords, don't use them often, that's why they're Halfords. I've got a set of these. Don't really use them. Compression tester, brake pushback kit, caliper pushback kit, oil filter wrench, cheapy multimeter. Right, you can tell this door doesn't get opened up fully. And the roller, I'm split on this toolbox. It's really nice, but it has a few issues. Anyway, Clark torque wrench, Teng torque wrench, big snap-on. Don't know what model this is. Let's have a look. It's that one, big 1/2 inch drive jobby. Sump plug keys. Now, torque angle gauge, some bits of pullers, multi-tools. Now, I was very dubious about these. Bergen, seen them on Amazon. They're only like £12, something like that. They're not bad. I think I haven't broken one yet, and I have used them. So, more pullers, punches, chisels, etc. Snap-on lever bars. I've had cheaper ones and broken them and hurt myself. Hammerhead. Electric impact. Very good actually. Moves axle, nuts, all sorts, Really good impact. Ryobi cordless impact. Ryobi drill. And that is pretty much what's in there. So, it's got a bench grinder. Not amazing. Einhell. No. Probably wouldn't bother. I've got a light up there, a couple of welding magnets, heat shrink tubes, there's some nuts, and we got there's other bits and bobs, drill bits, etc. So, welding helmet, a little gasless MIG, not bad, does what I need it to do. But yeah, hope to get on with some projects here shortly. So, and there's the main box. I have a few projects here, so I'll be doing some videos of them, see how they go. But yeah, again, the Halfords box, it's okay. I got it, didn't pay full price. But for the price that I paid, it's great. I mean, I've had snap-on boxes, and I've had Mac boxes, and I've had other boxes. It's okay. It's compact enough that it fits. So, alright, thank you for watching.